Through the day-old tea from the cup, packed up the photo album as you had made, memories of a life that's been loved. I took the Gilwell cards and stuffed animals for the old ginger beer down the sink. Dad always told me, don't you cry when you're down, but Mom, there's a tear every time that I blink. Oh, I'm in pieces, it's tearing me up, but I know a heart that's broke is a heart that's been loved. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, you'll sing hallelujah, you're home. I fluff the pillows, made the bed, stack the chairs up, folded your nightgowns neatly in a case. John says he dried and put his hand on my cheek and wiped a tear from the side of my face. And I hope that I see the world as you did, 'cause I know a life with love is a life that's been lived. So I'll sing hallelujah. You were an angel in the shape of my mom. When I fell down, you'd be there holding me up. Spread your wings as you go, and when God takes you back, you'll sing hallelujah, you're home. I took the supermarket flowers from the windowsill, threw the day-old tea from the cup, packed up the photo album as you had made, memories of a life that's been loved.